Well, hello my dear companions, welcome to Blizzard World. As you know, when a new update comes to Overwatch, we usually check out the map, check out the mode, and make a gameplay video. But this map is so special. It's Blizzard World. It's huge and there are so many things to explore, so I thought, hey, I'm gonna just make a match my own and just explore together with you guys and see if we can find all the Easter eggs, all the different areas, all the different hidden items, hidden gems of the different Blizzard games. And I wonder what should be best actually. I think Far would be pretty good to explore with. Actually gonna go with Far, I think, because you can fly, you know, the whole flying deal. So let's go with that. I also have my phone
I
here.
will protect the innocent.
I also have my phone here, right below the screen, so I know the name of the places because I can't remember them all in my head. Usually I remember the World of Warcraft stuff because I played World of Warcraft for many years. So let's head to the entrance and start from there. See you soon. Okay, so here we go, guys. I am kinda at the entrance. I couldn't go in here because I'm on the defending team. But I can't go in here, really. Damn, that sucks. And then we have the Hearthstone Tavern. And right outside, on the other side here, this is on the south part of the map. I'll have a link down to the map in the video description down below. Oops. Here we go. Right outside, we have the entrance there. Right there we have the entrance. Let's check it out. There we have the parking lot, and then we have the Hearthstone Tavern right back there. So if we just start from here really and just try to go around the whole map. We have 30 minutes on to do this, so let's do this. Hearthstone. I've played it a bit. I haven't played it that much really. All the mercs. Oh, look at that. The Ashbringer. What is it called? Don't remember. Dark Moon Ferris Wheel. Yes, it's from World of Warcraft. Many things from in here are from World of Warcraft. Look in here. Wizard's Sanctum Magic Show. Oh. So let's see what I have there. I'm gonna follow the map here so I get this right. Can we go in here? I don't think we can go in there though. Some areas I think are blocked. I'm not sure if they are just blocked because I shows skirmish. Maybe this area might be open if we play another mode. I'm not sure. So we can't really go there. Let's see here. Magic District, Flight Duskwood. Like, oh my god, this is so cool. Let's go down here and check. Murdoch Toilets. If you want to take a leak. Cool. I saw Lost Vikings here. Yes, Lost and Found Vikings. I haven't played that, but it's a classic. Look at that.
Will the owner of the black Kiraji battle tank please contact security? It is currently double parked.
So freaking cool. Look at that. Oh, original Warcraft art. This will be, as I said, a very different kind of episode because I'm really just gonna go around and look at all this stuff together with you guys, hopefully. Murloc Island, yes! I think there is a place actually called Murloc Island. Where are we now exactly? We are near the keep, really. We're inside the keep, right? Kinda. There we have the Flight to Duskwood. Okay, I know where we are. Look at that. Oh, can you survive? Hellscream, yes. As I said, many things are from World of Warcraft, and here we have kinda miniature of the entrance to Stormwind, the Alliance capital. Oh, this is so freaking cool. Let's explore the ancient curios as well.
Welcome to the shop. We surely have what you need.
Thank you. Look at that. Yes. Do we have any Hearthstone players? You say Hearthstone? Hearthstone players. In here, we have in World of Warcraft. What kind of Blizzard games have you played? Let me know in the comments down below. Me personally, I've played Hearthstone. Whoa. I played Hearthstone, World of Warcraft, and Overwatch. Mainly those three. What does it say here? General Toodeloo. Yes, of course. So now we're heading. Is this the Fargo Keep? Okay, we came from here. Cool. Because we can explore the middle here first, I think. We can't go in there, damn. Forest personnel only, okay. What's inside here? Oh, this is the flight to Duskwood, right? Yes, it is. Let's jump on. Let's go with this. Here we go. This was so freaking awesome. Look at that. I might add some music in the background, I'm not sure yet. We can go up here. Oh yes. And here we have Duskwood on the other side here. Oh, I take flight. How do you say? I've used this flight point so many times in World of Warcraft.
It's an exhilarating griffin ride soaring high above.
This is lovely. So now we're heading out. This is Fargo. Fargo Mine. Here, yes, here we have it. As I said, a lot of different World of Warcraft specializations or areas. Oh,
Hail and well met, traveler.
I would like to check that out.
Remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, legs, tail.
Well, we kind of have a limiter to it. I won't explore more than the matches. I think there are so many hidden things in this map, so I might miss a lot. Snacksramas. You know, if you have played World of Warcraft, can I shoot that down? Please. I could hit it at least. Snacksramas, yes, of course. Yes. Death Wings. As again, if you have played World of Warcraft, you might know about Deathwing, one of the main antagonists.
Want to see some real magic? Head to the
So now we are at the, let's see, we are Snacksramas, Murloc Island. Yes, this is supposed to be here. There we have Murloc Island. Yes. Let's do like this.
Justice reigns from above.
There you go, Murlocs. That's cute. That's adorable. Look at that. Look at this freaking map. So here we also have, let's see, Booty Bay. Yes, of course we have Booty Bay here.
Stay around tonight for the fireworks spectacular.
Yes, I'm going to continue to the left, I think. Yes, circle around, because we have explored the whole middle now. Let's see if we can actually go around. Maybe we can't go around. Maybe we can't. I hoped we could actually do that, but I don't think that might be possible when I think about it. Oh, okay. That would actually make a mode where you can just go around and explore the whole map. So I don't think I can get there. Because what are we missing? We have the Black Heart Revenge. We might be able to see that. The big ship. We go to here in the very beginning again. Might be able to see it from here. We can't see. As you see, there are animations of people walking around this. I'm not sure. I don't think we can actually go there. But there we actually have the Mage District of Stormwind, and then continues back over to the Orgrimmar, the Horde capital city, kinda. Maybe not anymore though. When I think about it, I think Undercity might be like more of a new headquarters. But damn, I don't think we can actually go around. Maybe, but let's see. If not, I'm going to continue to the right instead. See if we can see as much as possible from back here. Can we actually see the ship? It is supposed to be a ship here. this.
Interested in card trading? Head to the Gilded Road for our weekly collector's meeting.
I can't really see it though. But there we have the Murloc Island. So let's continue to the right instead. Look at that, hey man. Oh yes, you can actually destroy them. Yes, yes. Okay, where are we now? We are... let's see. Sorry if it... I don't want to cut too much though. I don't want to cut... Oh, look at that. That hammer though. Horde and Alliance. There we go. Don't tell me in the comments down below if you are Horde or Alliance. But just... No, don't do that. Let's see. So here we have the ancient... Where I escaped from... Yeah, the stockades. I have the stockades up here.
Looking for a special gift? Visit the auction house.
Kinda. Not really. But kinda. There's so many places on the map that I see, but we can't really explore them though. Can't really go more than that. Okay, so I have to go here. Okay, so where are we now? We are at the snack cinemas. Let's go here. To the Nexus experience. Now we have the Nexus experience. And now we're currently at the Pylon Terrace. That is this is Starcraft. This is Starcraft area. I see that. Look at that. And this is called, what is it called now again? I'm not sure. Siege tank. Yes. So do we have any Starcraft players? Here you have the map. This is the map I'm looking at, really. This is the map I'm looking at. So we started here. We tried to walk through the mage quarters here, mage district. We headed out here so we could see the Murloc Island. Headed back into the keep. Tried to go here, we couldn't. So we can't really see that though. And now we are at the Pylon Terrace. Cool. Can I land here? Please let me land here. Kinda. The next experience, let's check it out.
Idle SCVs to aisle 4 for repairs.
Looks cool. Oh, what is his name? I haven't played Starcraft, so I can't really name the characters. Retake your home world in preserved vision VR. Look at that. This is like a big nostalgia trip for all of us that have played any kind of Blizzard game, really. Starcraft merchandise. Look at that. That is a Zerg. Look at them. Oh. Overlord
Walk across the
transport.
stars with your very own carrier stroller. Limited quantities available.
This is so big. I mean, just look at this freaking map. It's massive. It's massive, really.
Idle SCVs to aisle 4 for repairs.
What do I have here? There's a well. There's the snacks again. So now if we continue to the Heroes Arcade, yeah, in the back here. Asim Dunk. Boom, nailed it. Murky's Hall of Fame. Oh, look at that. Diva is second. What? Who is SMB? Soul. Wait, look at here. I guess that's Junkrat. Soldier 76. Diva. Who the hell is SMB? Can't figure it out right now who's SMB. That's cool. Tell me in the comments down below if you know who's SMB might be. Because damn those points though. Oh, can I actually... Oh, I can't. Okay, I can't do it. The Murloc thingy-thoo. Ah! I wonder if you can get one inside. Don't think so though. SMB. Ah, I can't do that right now. So there we have the heroes.
Welcome,
Arcade.
shopper,
Let's head
to the
outside again and head to the
Experience.
a little bit darker place if I remember. Have some murk here as well. Oh, I like those milkshakes. Damn. Here.
Reign of the Black King.
Diablo. Do you have any Diablo players in here? Have played a little of Diablo 2. But not that much. So let's head inside. Let's check here first. Same maps as we saw before. What do we have up here? Go inside here. Nope.
Unauthorized personnel detected. Dispatching security team.
What? Security team. So let's head inside. Does this bring any memories to you guys, Diablo players? I'm trying to be as smooth as possible with the camera, so I want to be like this. I hate YouTubers that make do that. Look at this. Look at this. This doesn't feel like Overwatch anymore. I guess there are so many secrets, as I said, that I won't really be able to show you. Because I won't be able to find them all. I mean, name of books and everything, small hidden things. Blizzard really like their hidden things. Oh, what is this? This might be... What is this on the map? I'm not really sure. Hatchery petting zoo? No, this is just a... Okay. Let's head back in here. Oh. Sounds though. Here. Whoops.
Smoking is prohibited at all times. That includes gnarled weed.
Where do I hear that voice? Damn, look at this. Can I actually land here? Ah, I can't land it. Okay. This is a big... Just this building could be an entire map itself. And have that area, backstage area kinda.
Taste some of Loot Golem's finest vintages at the Lord of Terroir Wine Bar and Lounge.
Like those small quotes. That's just the backstage. Let's head outside here again. So we have the Ghost Academy back here. It's supposed to be... I don't think we can go here though. Oh, I can't go here. So let's continue. Let's continue. So if we can continue here, we get to the New Tristram, or the Slaughtered Calf Inn. Yes, if we continue... That's backstage thing. Did we go here? Yeah, we went here. So let's continue, We have the backstage areas here. Cool. Let's continue now. So if we continue from here, maybe can't continue to the Caldium Market or New Tristram. You see the big pylon, not pylon, but you know, big thing in the. That you see it from. Let's go up here. Ah, why can't we land that? Able to go here. Yes. There we have the New Tristram. The area back here. Let's see if we can go up. Can kind of see Tristram area back there. We have the Den of Evil. Then we have the Command Center Liftoff. What is that? Is that supposed to be there somewhere? Then we have the Dark Moon Ferris Wheel. And then we have Orgrimmar. We have the entrance there. You see the Orgrimmar. You see the Horde banners. Die. That's cool, that's cool. It's too bad that we can't go to the other side of the map. I don't think so. There might be someone that actually be able to cross this. I don't think we actually... I don't think we are supposed to be able to go there.
Justice reigns from above!
Everything's cool. Everything is cool. Look at that. And down. I would love to go to this area, so hope you enjoy. This is pretty much what I could find about Blizzard World. But to have this as a real park, it would be awesome. But just to build this kind of park, I mean, I'm not sure if they will ever do that, but
real magic. Head to the Wizard's Sanctum Magic Show.
yes.
Beware, repeated visits can become addictive.
There we go. But anyhow, let's go back to the entrance. There we have it. Oh, we also have, what is that called? What, the big thing in the air? Yeah, that's Naxxramas, right? Yeah, of course, it's Naxxramas. It was a long time since I played that raid. But let's head back here now. Hope you enjoyed. Tell me in the comments down below, as I said, what kind of Blizzard games have you played? Small or big ones? As I said, the one that I played the longest is World of Warcraft. I played pretty much from the very beginning. I think I started like a year maybe after when it was initially released. Too bad we couldn't go inside here though. But we kind of know how it looks. But after that, I've been taking breaks on and off. I have an on-off relationship with World of Warcraft, if you say so. I usually go back when a new expansion comes around. Other than that, I'm enjoying what Blizzard can create. And all these beautiful worlds are so... That's why I love Overwatch. I hate competitive games. I usually don't compete in gaming. But Overwatch, I just love the lore and the whole universe they are building around that. So tell me in the comments down below, what do you think about the Blizzard map? Have I missed anything here? Probably have. But also, what kind of games of Blizzard have you played or are currently playing? Tell me in the comments down below. But never ever forget to stay awesome. Toodeloo!